How to share LinkedIn profile link. So let's start by opening our LinkedIn app and then sign in with your account. Once you have signed in with your account, you may now click on your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you're right here, click on View Profile and then click on this three dots right here on the rightmost part of Add section right here. Click on that three dots, and then you may share your link in two ways. So the first one is send profile in a message or share via right here. So click on share via if you want to send your link to other, using other apps. So you may click on it and click on copy right here. And then, for example, I'll just paste it on my notes and paste it right here. So right now you may share this link to anyone using other apps and then that's it. That's how you can share LinkedIn profile link.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.